Hello friends, we will learn some rules in algebra. Now, what is the rule? Rule means to find out the alphabet which we will use. So here I given one question. Find the rule which gives the number of sticks required to make the following sticks pattern. Use a variable to write the rule. Now we will make an expression with any letter to find out how many sticks are required to make the given question. Now here, to make a pattern of T, so how many sticks we require? To make a T, you require 2 sticks, 1 stick and 2 sticks. Suppose I want to continue this pattern, again I require 2 more sticks. Again I require 2 more sticks. Again I require 2 more sticks. So what we are doing, we are making a pattern of T with the help of sticks. So first T we require 2 sticks, again 2 sticks, again 2, again 2. So this pattern will continuously go on. So what is the rule for this? So how many sticks every time we are requiring? We are requiring 2 sticks. So here we are making the expression 2. You can take any alphabet. So here I am taking T because we are making a T pattern. So 2T. T is a variable and 2 is a constant. 2 is a constant. T is a variable. So to make a pattern of T, we require every time 2 sticks. So if I want to find in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, in 8th term, how many T's are required? This is our 8th term. How many T's are required? So here the rule is 2T. Here the rule is 2T. When I want the 8th term T, so how many sticks I require? 2 as it is. Number of T here is 8. So you can write in the place of T 8. So 16. So I require 16 sticks to make the continuous pattern up to the 8th term. Now we will go for the second pattern. A pattern of letter Z. So what is the rule for Z? To write a Z I require 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. How many sticks? 3 sticks. If I want to make one more Z, so again 1, 2, 3. Again I want to make again one Z, 1, 2, 3. So every time how many sticks I require? 3 sticks. Every time I require 3 sticks. So the rule is I am taking a Z as an alphabet variable because I am writing a Z. So here 3Z. Because every time 3 sticks are required to make a Z. So if 1 Z I want to make, so how many sticks I require? 1 Z I want to make. So 3. How many is it? 1 Z. So 1 Z is equal to 3 sticks. If I want to make it 2 Zs, so how many sticks I require? The rule is 3 Z. So how many Zs I want to make? 2. So in the place of Z I want to write it 2. So 2. How many sticks I require? 6. If I want to make it 3 Zs, so 3 into 3 Zs, 3 is equal to 9 sticks. If I want to make a 4 Zs, so 3 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 12. If I make you 5 Zs, so 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15 sticks. So this is a rule. This is a rule. 1 Z we require 3 matchsticks. So 1 Z is replaced. We taken a 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. If I want to make it 2 Zs, so the formula is what? Rule is what? 3Z. So in the place of Z I written 2 here because I want 2 Zs. 3 multiplied by 2 6. If I want to 3 Zs, so I taken here in the place of Z 3. 3 3s are 9. So 9 sticks are required to make a 3 Zs. If I want to make a 4 Zs, so I written here in the place of Z 4. 3 4s are 12. If I want to make a 5x, so I written here 5. 3 5s are 15. So in this way we can complete the rule. Now come to the next here question. A pattern of letter U. I want to make a U pattern. So first U, if I will take, I require 3 matchsticks. 1, 2, 3. If I want to make a second U, I require next time only 2 sticks. Again, if I want to make a 3U, so I require more. So first time only we require 3 sticks, but next time I require 2 sticks, again 2 sticks. So here the expression is 2. Now here I am taking the value instead of U, I am taking a x plus 1. You can take any alphabet. So here I take an x. To make a U, first I require 3 sticks. But second time I require 2 sticks. Next time again 2 sticks. Next time again 2 sticks. That's why here is 2. Here is 2. The place of x is what? This is U. So U. Don't confuse please. I taken here x. You can take any value plus 1. To make a U, you require the expression 2x plus 1. Suppose I want to make a 5U. 3 sticks, 2 sticks, 2 sticks, 2 sticks, 2 sticks. Here 5 U's are made. So what is the rule? 2x plus 1. So what I will do now? 2 to find out. X means U. How many U's I want to make? 5 U's. So here 5 plus 1. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. So I require 11 sticks to make a U. See now how 11 sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 sticks. One more example. I want to make a 10 use pattern. So how many sticks I require? So we are taking here expression 2x plus 1. So what is the rule? 2. X, how many use you require? 10. In the place of x you can write 10. 10 plus 1. This is the expression. Solve the expression. 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So we require 21 sticks to make a pattern of U up to the 10. So we will see here. This is 1 U, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will see how many sticks we require. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21 sticks we require. Once again, please see. To make a pattern of U, our expression is 2x plus 1. Why 2x plus 1? Because first we require 3 sticks, afterwards 2 sticks. So the next time we require 2 sticks, so that's why we taken in 2. In first time, 1 is more, so this plus 1 is came there, 1 more. So the expression of this 2x, x means how many U's you require, that is the number of x, number of U's, so we take an x, so 2x plus 1. When we want to find the pattern of U up to the 5th term, so 2x plus 1 is a rule, and here how many U's we require? 5 U's, so 2 multiplied by 5 plus 1, so 11 sticks we are find. We taken 10 U pattern, means we want the U's up to the 10 term. So if you make a 10 U's, so how many sticks you require? The expression for that is 2x plus 1. Why 2? Because next time we require 2 sticks and first time we require 3 sticks. So the remaining one we are taking here, and any alphabet you can add it here. So the expression for this is 2x plus 1. So when you take the 10th term of a U pattern, so in the value of x you can take an 10. So 2 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 21. To make a 10 U's, we require 21 sticks we find here. One more example so you can understand. Make a pattern of square. A pattern of square. If you want to make a square, so how many sticks you require? First you require 4 sticks. I want to extend the pattern. So next time I require 3 sticks. Next time again I require 3 sticks. 3 sticks means first time we require 4 sticks and next time we require 3 sticks. So what is the rule here then? First time 4, second time 3. So second time how many require 3? So that's why we taken here 3. Now you can take any variable. Here I am taking the variable y. Now plus. First time how many sticks require? 4. Next second time 3. So what is the difference? 1. So the difference here we are writing 1. So the rule for make a square is 3y plus 1. Y means number of squares, number of the squares required. This 3 as we seen here and this 1 the difference of first and 2. Suppose I want to make a 7 squares pattern. 7 square pattern. So how many sticks I require? Now we will see here. The rule is 3y plus 1. That is equal to, in the place of 5 we will write here 7. 3 multiplied by 7. 3 multiplied by 7 plus 1. That is equal to 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 22. So we require 22 sticks. Now we will see actually we require 22 sticks or not. To first make one square. This is first square. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7. We written here 7 squares. Now how many sticks we require now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We require 22 sticks. Here we find already 22 sticks. So this is the rule to find the pattern of any alphabet or any figure. With the help of this, you can make any rule. Thank you.